do you find more impactful for you? The joy of winning 100 euros or the disappointment of losing 100 euros? I guess that most of you have chosen the disappointment of losing 100 euros. And in fact, the research indicates that emotionally, losses are almost twice as powerful versus an equivalent gain. My name is Giuseppe Conti, I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Why do we behave in this way? Why do we fear losses? It probably goes back to our evolutionary past. Imagine 50,000 years ago. If there was a rabbit passing by and you didn't catch the gain, you didn't catch the benefit, okay, it was a pity, but not a big deal. On the other side, imagine there was a threat, a loss, like a wild animal coming by. Then you really had to be extremely careful, otherwise you will be gone. So the people that went on are the ones that feared the losses. So we are the descendant of the people that feared losses. So this principle called loss aversion, how can be applied to corporate life? Let me give you an example. When we talk with internal stakeholders, we have a tendency to say, listen, Margaret, if we are gonna do this project, we are gonna save 100,000 euros. A more effective approach is instead to say, listen, Margaret, if we do not do this project, we are gonna lose $100,000, because then we leverage the fact that losses loom larger than gains. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.